If your skin feel dry, rough, or dull, I've been showing you a simple and affordable body scrub that will completely change your skincare routine. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a super easy and powerful body scrub using palm oil, coffee and sugar. So to make this body scrub, you will need palm oil. It will help to deeply nourish, soften and hydrate the skin. So into the bowl, I'll start by adding coffee. A tablespoon of coffee is okay. Coffee will help to exfoliate and improve the appearance of your skin. So I'm going to be adding a teaspoon of honey. Honey will help to moisturize the skin. So I'm going to be using a tablespoon of palm oil. Palm oil will help to deeply nourish, moisturize and soften the skin. So I'm going to mix to combine before adding the sugar. So another ingredient I'll be using is sugar. You can use white or brown sugar. Sugar will help to exfoliate, remove dead skin cells. And I'm also going to be adding some shower gel. Then mix to combine. If you notice that the scrub is too dry, add more palm oil. But if it's too oil, add more sugar. Use this scrub on a damp skin. Gently massage in a circular motion, focusing on the rough areas like your elbow, knee, thighs. Then you can leave it to sit for about 20 minutes or more. Then you can rinse off with warm water. This scrub is so good for exfoliating, improving the appearance of your skin. It will help to remove dead skin cells and also help to deeply moisturize and soften your skin. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you all for watching.